Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to get the shortcut keys in Excel. So if you want to increase your productivity in Excel, we should know the shortcut keys. Shortcut keys is very helpful when you are working in Excel. Let's see. So to know the shortcut keys, I'm going to show you two different methods. The first one is Excel options, and the second one is using keyboard Alt key combination. Let's see. So if you wanted to see the shortcut keys in Excel, go to Help tab. So on here on top, we have Help option. Click on here Help option and click on here question mark, and it will open a Excel help window. Now in this, just type keyboard shortcuts and hit enter. Right, and then you can select the second option, keyboard shortcuts in Excel. Now if I click on here keyboard shortcuts in Excel, it is going to show you a complete shortcut keys available in Excel. Now if I scroll down, now you can see to do this and press. So for example, if I want to open a workbook, I need to press Control and O. If I want to save a workbook, Control S. If I want to copy the data or copy the selection, you can say here Control C, Control V to paste the selection. So you can see all the shortcut keys in one place, with the help of this help option. Right? This is the first method, and the shortcut key to open this Excel help window, you have to press F1. F1 is a shortcut key to open a Excel help window. This is method 1, and the second method using keyboard Alt key. Alt key. Let's say here, now if I wanted to activate tabs, first of all, I will press Alt. Once I press my Alt key on the keyboard, now it will see here F is indicating for file, H for home, N for insert, P for page layout. So like this, it will activate all the tabs with the letters. Now if I say here, if I press H, then my home tab is going to activate. Then I can see all the shortcut keys available in all the options and the shortcut keys available under home tab. Let's say I'm going to press Alt, then I wanted to see the options available under home tab and the shortcut keys of these options. So I will press again H. Now you can see here, these are the 1 for bold, 2 for italic, 3 for underline, and if I wanted to apply some color, H for fill color. Let's say, for example, here I have some text. Now I wanted to apply color box. I want to apply this fill color to this cell. Then I will press Alt, then H, then again I will press H. So the shortcut key for this is, then I can select my color with the help of arrow keys, or we can with the help of mouse. Then I will hit enter. So now the shortcut key for this fill color is Alt H, right? And similarly, if I want to apply some font color, I can say here, I want to apply some color to this particular cell. I want to apply font color. Then the shortcut key would be, I'll start with Alt H, then to apply a font color, FC. Then I can select some color, right? And then I will hit enter. Now the shortcut key for this is Alt H, FC. So this is the two different ways where we can see the shortcut keys in Excel. I hope this video will help you. Thank you.